Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Gypsy Wife Life. Today's video is going to be cleaning, and I'm also going to be sharing a grocery haul, what I'm cooking today, and also sharing with you a little surprise that I got for the girls the other day. So let's get to cleaning, y'all. The first thing I'm doing here is putting everything back into my oven. I use my oven as storage space. Even though I have tons of cabinets in my kitchen, they are all full, so the oven is where I store the extra stuff that I have no room for. My mom always stored things in the oven as well, so I guess it also just comes out of habit and seeing my mom do it, and I've been doing it for quite a few years now. So last night I cooked something in the oven, and of course I have to wait for the oven to cool down before I can put the stuff back in there, but I ended up just letting it sit on the counter till this morning, so I'm putting it away now. And now I'm going to clean out my dishwasher quick and then reload it. I only have a few things in the sink, so loading won't take too long, and I never mind loading a dishwasher, but I sure dislike unloading it.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
So now I'm going to wipe off my countertops quick. I'm using paper towels and Mr. Clean mixed with water that I have in a spray bottle that I got from Temu.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy.
And now I'm going to clean out my sink, and I'm using this foaming bathroom cleaner, and yes, I know it's for the bathroom, but I like using it in my sink because I like the way it foams up. Unfortunately, I forgot that they were fixing a pipe in the building that we live in, so the water was turned off. So when I went to rinse the cleaner out of the sink, the water was barely coming out, so I just had to use a little bit of bottled water and wipe it as good as I could and just let it be until the water came back on, and then I was able to rinse all of the leftover cleaner out. So now I'm going to vacuum the kitchen floor, and I'm using my Heart vacuum, which Alan got me from Walmart. I really wanted to use my cordless vacuum today because I'm not a fan of the cords, but as usual, it has not been charged, which is totally my fault, so I'm just going to use this one for this video. And then after that, I'm going to be mopping my floor using the Mr. Clean cleaner and my infused mop that Alan got me from Target. The water holder is broken, so it doesn't work anymore, but when I first got this mop, before I broke it, it was fabulous. Like I said, Alan got it for me from Target, but they also have it on Amazon, and I have seen it at Burlington before as well. And now it's time to clean up the girlies' play area. So I don't know if y'all noticed in my last few videos, I actually put up all of these tunnels except for a few because it just drives me crazy seeing it sitting there, and I can't stand the clutter. But the truth is, the girls love these tunnels so much, and I don't have the heart to put them away again just yet. So I've been leaving them right there for them. They've been having so much fun in them. They love to run through them and play in them and hide in them as well. So I'm just going to leave them there for now.
Still can't believe you love me. I hope it never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah. You know I'm here to stay every single day.
So while I was filming this, I accidentally knocked over the entire tripod and the camera. It hit the floor really hard. I immediately ran over to it, and I just held it in my hands and started speaking over it and asking God to please let it be okay. And the reason I'm sharing this is to remind you that no matter what you are going through, God is there. He cares about you, and he cares about the things that you care about, no matter what it is. No matter what you're facing right now, just ask for his help. God knows that my YouTube channel and my camera is very important to me, and his word says that he will perfect that which concerns you. So I asked him for his help, and he came through. The camera seems to be working great, but as you can tell, there's just a little bit blur here and there. I don't know if that's because of something happened with the focus or something internally, but I'm just really thankful that it's working. And it actually ended up working better later. So I just want to thank God for that and remind you that he's got you.
Where I'd rather be than with you. I can't believe you love me. I just feel so lucky. Still can't believe you love me. I've been wondering about you. They said that just one look and I'd get caught too.
So anyways, after cleaning the cat's area, I moved on to the living room and then finished off with cleaning my bathroom. I just cleaned off my mirror and my bathroom counter and then the tub. I vacuumed the floor off camera and mopped the floor while I was waiting for the foam cleaner to do its thing. That stuff works great, by the way. It's worth checking out. It's super affordable and I got it from Walmart.
It's all I dream of. Now I can't live without you. I hope you feel it too. 'Cause we are meant to be. We are meant to be. Oh, if only you could see that we are meant to be. Some obsess about things. Some turn use into abuse and don't stop until it's too late. But all I do is love you. Maybe someday you will too. 'Cause we are meant to be.
Anyways, now it's time to show y'all the girls' prize that I got them from Amazon. Gather around. All you girls, you got a new surprise in the mail today. They don't even know what it is yet, but they know it's for them. We just got this delivered today. The box doesn't even say what it is, but Alan's gonna be putting it together for me and then I'll show you what it is. It's for the girls. You ready, Cookie? You got a prize? Cookie got a prize today. The brand name of this is Best Pet. I'll have it linked down below if you want to check it out. It comes in several different colors, but we got the blue one because it matched our girls' eyes. It has mesh windows so the girls can see out. It has cup holders and extra storage at the bottom, and it opens from the front and the back, but it zips up completely so they can't get out. Right now it's on sale for $29.99 plus shipping and handling, so it comes out to about 50 something, which I don't think is that bad for what it is. It's a great product for your fur babies. My girls absolutely love it, but unfortunately I can't take them out in it right now because Texas is hotter than you know what. We are on like day 4 of a heat warning, and you know, I've lived here my whole life. I'm so used to the heat and I love the heat, but the heat right now in Texas is truly ungodly. So we're gonna have to wait a bit before we can take the girls out on a walk. Until then, they have been enjoying it inside. They are loving it so much, but they'll just have to wait to enjoy it outside. So now I'm gonna share the grocery haul with you really quick, and then I'll show you what we had for dinner. Alright, now I got a little HEB haul for y'all. I'm going to show you everything we got. I'm going to be telling you what we are making this week, and then I'll also tell you how much it all cost. So starting over here, we've got some cilantros because I'm going to be making the lime and cilantro brown rice to go with our turkey meal preps. I got an onion and a bell pepper. There's the lime. I got 2 things of broccoli. Y'all know I'm on a broccoli kick right now. I've been eating it several times a day. So good for you and just absolutely delicious. We got some bananas. We got some sweet potato cubes. We was gonna get regular sweet potatoes, like an actual sweet potato, but then we seen these, so we just got those. They seem easier to make. We also got a bag of spinach. We got 3 of these. 2 are the same and 1 is different. These are to make smoothies with, and it's already like a little mixture. So this one is the green fuel smoothie. It has green apples, spinach, bananas, pineapple, and kale. And then we got 2 of these, the blueberry beet flax smoothie. It's got blueberry, banana, spinach, flax, or flax meal, and beets. So we got 3 of those to make smoothies. We got some more of these blue corn tortilla chips. They are so good, y'all. You have to try them. I don't know if they have this brand at your store, but I'm sure any of them will do. We actually discovered them through HelloFresh, and even though it wasn't this same brand, it's still the same thing. So we got a bag of those. Of course, we got another bag of these salt and lime peanuts because we're addicted to them. Got some yogurt here. So we got 2 of the vanilla Greek yogurt. Then we got a Chobani lemon and cream just to try it. And then I picked out a peach. Next up, we got these electrolyte drinks. These are so good. If you've never tried them, you should. These are delicious. So I had this one the other day, the strawberry kiwi. They had these at HEB 3 for $6, so I got 3 of them. I haven't tried the grape yet, but while I was in the store, I tried the coconut and it was so good. This has magnesium, potassium, calcium, sodium glucose, sodium lactate, and ions. So it's kind of like drinking a Pedialyte, probably better for you than Gatorade. I'm not 100% sure about that, but sometimes you need a little extra hydration, so picked up those because that one tasted really good. We got a bag of brown rice, a bag of baby carrots, got some garlic powder and onion powder because I was running out. We got some of this seasoning. It's a chimichurri rub, which we got to marinate some steaks with. We got some olive oil, some balsamic, some ketchup, some ground turkey, ground beef, big old pack of ground beef, and then this big pack of the Wagyu skirt steak, and there's actually 2 of them in there, so I'll be making 2 meals out of this, 2 meals out of this, or maybe even 3 depending on what I'm making, and then this makes several meals for us to eat a couple days. And then last we got some blueberry granola and some French vanilla almond granola. That's just for like snacking on and for the yogurts. So this week we're going to be making the ground turkey with the brown rice, the cilantro lime brown rice, and broccoli or carrots. Like I said in my last video, we are eating healthier, so we are sticking to it. I'm so proud of us. With the ground beef, I'm probably going to be making like hamburger patties and meatloaf. I just remembered we're going to be making nachos with this, and that's why we got the chips. And then, like I said, this will be 2 different meals for us because me and him can split one of those, and there's 2 of them in there, so pretty good deal. We'll have that with a side. But yeah, that's everything I got at HEB, and now I'm going to tell you how much it cost. Now, I'm going to be honest, if it wasn't for the coupons, I would have been a little bit disappointed in this haul because it's not the biggest haul ever. Even though those meats can make several meals for us, the price I wouldn't have thought was that great. So before coupons, it actually was like $100 and something, but because I had a $10 off of 50, I got $10 off of this. So I saved $16.03 just from buying HEB brand. So that's HEB brand savings, $16.03. I had a $10 off coupon, which was $10 off of 50, which was really good. And then I had 3 extra coupons that they offered in store, which equaled out to $8.04. So in total, I saved $34.07, and my total for all of this was $75.59. $75.59 for this. Let me know your thoughts down below on what you think about the price. And I hope y'all enjoyed this little grocery haul portion of the video. So this is what we had for dinner. We had meatloaf, broccoli, and mashed sweet potato. The sweet potatoes turned out absolutely delicious. We really enjoyed them. And then we also had a spinach salad on the side. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.